Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make stir-fry instant noodle soup. For ingredients, let's check down below. For the instant noodle, I'm gonna use Indomie Mie Goreng or Mie Goreng fried noodles. And then for the greens, I'm gonna use bok choy. You can use any vegetable you like. We're gonna need 2 eggs, 2 garlic, 4 shallots, a little bit of white pepper, a little bit of MSG, and this is Golden Mountain sauce. If you don't have this, you can substitute this with soy sauce. So now, let's get to cooking. First, I'm gonna beat the eggs. Put it aside for now. Next, you wanna chop finely the garlic and the shallots. When you're done, put it on the side for now. Next, you wanna put oil on your wok and then turn on your stove on a medium heat. Once your oil gets hot, stir fry the shallots and garlic. Once they become aromatic, add your greens. Once the vegetables soft, add about 800 ml of water. Next, you just want to turn on your heat to the maximum settings. Once it starts boiling, you just want to drop the egg. Give it a little stir. And then now you want to add the noodles. I'm using 3 packs. Just turn down to your heat to medium now. Once the noodle soft, now you can add all the seasoning from the package. Mix it. Want to cook this for about 3 minutes on a high heat. After 3 minutes done, turn off your heat, give it a little taste. Now I'm gonna add a little bit, about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, pinch of MSG, and 1 tablespoon of the seasoning sauce. Give it a little mix. And it's ready. Now for the last step, you want to add the fried shallots from the package. And there you go guys, the stir-fry instant noodle soup. So give it a try, enjoy. So that's it for our today's video. So if you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.